my emoji that I ended with is empowered. I don't know what it should look like, but from the start to now, I feel very empowered to go further in coaching. I'm already a fitness coach. So I've been a fitness coach for like 5 years. This has added a lot to that discipline. And professionally, I wanted to move more into an Agile coach.
Mm-hmm.
And so this has given me an excitement. At first I was dreading, I was like, oh no, am I really going to take this class? Because, we were going back and forth. I was like, no, I'm not going to take it. Yes, I'm going to take it. The company's not going to pay for it. I'll pay for it. So I'm really, really excited that I did it. I feel like I learned a lot. I've actually, each week I go back to my team and I try something that we learned that week. I talked to my manager about the class and told him, just how great I thought the class was. One thing that I am going to do is talk to the VP of the Agile Center of Excellence and just, see if I can somehow use these skills in his group, because I'm in, development. But I think I've learned a lot, and I'm very, very excited to go online and join a meetup group and practice and just continue further with coaching in not just Agile, but coaching on a whole, like a life coach. That's always been an aspiration, from being a fitness coach to moving into a life coach. And then just adding this to it, it has helped me a lot in the sense of just overall coaching